Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade candied pecans without eggs. This quick and easy snack recipe is perfect for holiday entertaining, homemade gifts, or even adding into your cookie boxes. And you don't need eggs to make these lightly roasted cinnamon pecans that have the perfect crunch. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees. So next we're going to need a large mixing bowl. And next we're going to need some aquafaba as our egg replacer. While traditional candied pecans are usually made with egg whites, we're going to use aquafaba instead of egg whites. This makes these naturally vegan and safe for anyone at your holiday table this year. Well, except anyone that has a pecan allergy. So if you're not familiar with aquafaba, it's just the brine from a can of chickpeas. And this is going to act very similar to eggs to help coat these nuts and make them super crunchy and make the cinnamon stick to them really well in the oven. You guys can use the brine just from a can of chickpeas like I'm doing today, or they also make an aquafaba powder these days that's really common in vegan baking. You can buy the powder, store it in your pantry, and then you can mix it up with a little bit of water whenever you're ready to use it. Either of these options will work for this recipe. But I love making hummus, so we're just going to make some hummus with these chickpeas after we use the brine. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. Now, since I'm using them from the can of chickpeas, I'm going to drain off the rest of this aquafaba, save it for later, and I'm going to make some hummus with these chickpeas. Next, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to whisk it together to completely combine it. So once the aquafaba is mixed with the cinnamon and the salt, it's time to add our sugar and pecans. And last, we're adding in 1 pound of raw pecan halves. Now we're just going to mix together to combine the pecans, the sugar, and the cinnamon mixture. Now you're going to line a half sheet pan with parchment paper. And now we're just going to spread the pecans out evenly so they can cook and toast up into goldeny, crunchy perfection. Once the pecans are spread out evenly, then it's time to bake these at 300 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. You guys want to make sure that you stir the pecans halfway through. This is going to ensure that they all cook and toast up evenly and you don't have any burnt ones or extra brown ones because everyone's oven can have hot spots. Once the candied pecans have cooled completely, then it's time to break them up into clusters. These candied pecans are a perfect snack for any holiday party, and they make the best homemade Christmas gift. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy snack recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. My husband loves these.